Lily, can you please say your full name?
Say it again.
Say it again. What's your last name?
Van. Say it again.
Say it again.
Say it again.
Say the whole thing.
No.
Lily Van. That's your name!
What's your middle name? Lily what? Say Lily Kristen. Good job. Now say Lily Kristen Van Drassic.
Very good. Honey, how old are you going to be soon? 1? No.
Ethan's 1.
Ethan's 1. How old are you right now? How old are you right now?
2.
2.
How old are you gonna be?
How old are you going to be?
Say I'm gonna be 3. You're gonna be 3 like that. How many? On your birthday, how old will you be? Say 3. And when you're 3, what do you get to do? Have a sucker? What else? What do you get to do when you're 3? No, Lily.
What do you get to chew?
What do you get to have on your birthday?
Waffle. You say waffle.
What do you get to do on your birthday when you're 3? Lily, what do you get to chew on your birthday? Special treat. You get gum on your birthday? Are you so excited?
You tickled yourself? Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, Pumpkin. I love you. I love you more.
Say I love you most.
I love you most. Go ahead.
And we love you most.
We love you most. Who says that?
Rapunzel?
Rapunzel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
my-
my.
What are you so excited for?
My birthday?
Your birthday? So are you going to... Is this the bed you're going to sleep in forever? Are you going to sleep in that bed?
No, I don't want to. That one is downstairs.
What kind of bed is that?
It's Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell?
Tinkerbell bed?
Princess?
Is it princesses? All right, Pumpkin. Oh, cute.
You know what? I have the princesses in my hand.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's very messy. Got your receipt.
All right. Love you, babe.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Bye. Bye.
Mm.